Here's my channel. I want to talk about Nano Dimensions because it made a really nice recovery yesterday. It was up over 13% at one point. I did a video in the middle of the day just breaking news about it, and it finished the day at 665. Right now in the pre-market, it's up to 673, and I definitely think that Nano Dimensions is going to make a run towards $7 and break through $7 before the end of the year. So I think that's really good news for Nano Dimensions, especially a company that did 4 direct offerings, like one after the other. Don't know if another one's coming up, but I do feel positive that there's a lot of momentum, especially that this is a company involved with 3D printing, and 3D printing is finally finding a lot of applications in just in the business to business industry, as far as like in the industrial industry. 3D printing is not going to be big in the consumer industry, I think, in the consumer sector for a long time. But as far as like the business sector, I think finally companies are finding a reason to invest in 3D printing, and because of that, Nano Dimensions should do really well. The company's market cap is right now at under $1 billion, but I do think my target for the end of the year is for the stock to be over $7, and by June of 2021 to be at $10, and then end next year, 12 months from now, at $12. So I see the stock as almost doubling over the next 12 months, and I think this story is not only that 3D printing is becoming more popular, but over the next 12 or 16 months, as you have the reopen trade, as businesses find more demand for their products, that you'll see these companies more willing to invest in like machinery that will include 3D printing, and I think that will spur a lot of demand for Nano Dimensions products. I mean, you have to consider this is a company that's done really well in the face of 2020, where most businesses were essentially shut. So there was no real natural demand for their products. They did get some sales in the fourth quarter that will be reflected in the next earnings, but the fact that the company has been able to rise this much on the fact that it was 2020 and a lot of companies were not investing, imagine how well it will rise in 2021 when there's actually a demand for their products. So definitely keep your eye on Nano Dimensions. If it pulls back and stays above its 50-day moving average, see that as an opportunity to accumulate more shares and lower your average into the stock. So again, Nano Dimensions trades on the NASDAQ under the symbol NNDM. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.